Today we're looking at the completed assembly of a large clamped rectifier. This video walks you through the process step by step and shows how these pre-calibrated clamps ensure consistent, reliable pressure without the guesswork. This unit uses two clamps, one for each semiconductor disc, to ensure even pressure is applied across both devices. The assembly consists of a base heatsink, two top heatsinks, and two high-current diodes. Before installing the devices, we clean all surfaces with isopropyl alcohol. This removes any residue and helps us inspect for scratches or gouges that could create hot spots. To test for smoothness, run a fingernail over the surface. If there is a nick, it should be smoothed with Scotch-Brite. This step prevents premature failure of the device. The heatsinks are precision machined and already fitted with roll pins. These pins align the diodes in the correct position during assembly. We then apply a thin, even coat of non-silicone thermal grease to the pole faces. Because the heatsink surface is finely finished, the grease serves mainly as an antioxidant rather than a thermal conductor. Next, the diodes are carefully positioned over the roll pins. Each of these devices are rated for 4,800 amps, so careful handling is critical. Once both diodes are in place, we add the clamp blocks and use fixtures to keep everything aligned. The clamp bolts are lightly oiled on the first few threads to prevent binding, and the hardware is installed evenly on both sides. A quick look at the red alignment marks on the washers confirms that the clamp is still properly calibrated and ready for use. At this stage, the bolts are only snugged. Final torquing is done after rotating the assembly 90 degrees, which allows the heatsinks to remain flat in the fixture, matching how the customer will mount the unit in their system. We check that the bolt threads protrude evenly on both sides to ensure equal pressure across the clamps. Tightening is done in small, even increments. We monitor the spring washers to confirm that both sides are loading evenly. During assembly you'll know the correct clamping force has been reached when the flat washers under the nuts become loose by hand. Once balanced, the alignment fixtures can be removed and the clamp secured. This particular assembly will be used in a battery backup generator system. It operates as a common cathode configuration, with the anodes isolated. The system selects between a battery bank and a generator, depending on which source is available, to ensure reliable operation. And that's the completed rectifier assembly, ready for integration.